Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has recently broken down the support of this bearish pattern, and this is considered to be a bullish bias pattern, but the price line has broken down the support rather than breaking out the resistance of this pattern. And this is a bit critical situation when Bitcoin starts breaking down such patterns. And in today's video, we will discuss whether the price line is going to move more down from here, or what can be our next support and resistance levels, or is there any possibility that the price line will start a reversal move and break out the next resistance levels. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me give you a short recap of the previous moves of Bitcoin. We had two main bullish events recently. For example, this was a very big harmonic bullish reversal Cypher move when we had a very big drop, and the price line completed in the month of January 2022. This final leg of the harmonic bullish reversal Cypher pattern, and I shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon, and I told them that from here we can expect a bullish reversal move and we can have a nice trade. And our sell targets were, by the way, $46,000 and $46,339, and goes to $57,167. And the buying range was from $36,101 and goes to $28,805. And we also had a very nice support of the 100 simple moving average and a hidden bullish divergence as well. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line indeed reversed bullish. We reached the sell targets. It rallied up to $48,189, and now it is moving down inside this potential reversal zone. At the same time, during this move, the price line also broke out the resistance of this down channel. And after breaking out this resistance, here price line found another resistance and support, and this was the formation of another rising wedge pattern, and the price line finally broke it down, confirmed the breakdown by retesting the previous support as a resistance, and now it is finally moving down. And by the way, during this move to the downside, it also formed another bearish pattern on the same daily time frame chart. Let me place these same trend lines at the previous chart, because both are the same charts, so it will be easy for you to understand. We can see that we formed this bearish pattern, and when it moved up, tried to break out this resistance of the pattern, rejected by the previous resistance of the rising wedge pattern. As in my previous video, I was telling you that even the price line is breaking out the resistance of this bearish pattern, but we need to break out this resistance of $39,500. That is a very strong resistance. You can see previously it had been breaking as a resistance and supports at the different times and on the different places. For example, here it was breaking as a support, here as a support, here and here as a resistance, here as a resistance, and right now it was again working as a resistance. So we are once again rejected by this EMA, this $39,500, and I told you that we need the closing above this EMA 21. We are also rejected once again by this exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. Previously we have rejection here, we have rejection, two rejections here, one more rejection here, and recently we are once more rejected by this EMA 21 as well. Okay, here we also had a bullish divergence when we were testing this support. At that time, I have been telling you in my previous videos that we can have another attempt to break out this pattern, because price line was moving down here. It was testing the support of the pattern, but at the same time, you can see while the price line was forming lower than previous low, the RSI was not able to do so. You can see that RSI was forming higher low than previous low, and eventually the price line followed this bullish divergence, did not break down the support. We had a nice rally up to $40,000 and $40,050, and again rejected by these two resistance levels, even the resistance of this wedge as well. And now we have finally broken down the support of this bearish pattern. Now the target to the downside after this bearish pattern can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakdown point, that will be approximately here at $29,300. But Before that, we have a very strong support, and that is the recent swing low before this breakout from this very long-term down channel. By the way, if you were trading this channel, this one, then your stop loss should be below this support of $33,000, because this was the recent swing low before this breakout. And after breaking down this $33,000, this breakout, this very big breakout from this down channel, can be also invalidated, because the price line will break down this stop loss of this down channel as well. And then we will have the next support here at $28,600. That is a very strong support. If I switch to the weekly time frame chart from here, then you can see previously it has been breaking as a nice support here back in June 2021, and before that here back in January 2021, and here at the start of the January 2021 it has been breaking as a nice support. Now on the same weekly time frame chart, we can once again see that stochastic is again entering in the oversold zone, and the price line on the weekly time frame chart still forming higher lows and higher highs as well. And if I connect all these candlesticks from this candlestick to this candlestick, then we are very close to test once more this trend line, this uptrend line, that will be this time approximately at $33,800. Now let's move back to the daily time frame. Then there can be some small support levels, like we have a nice support at $35,500. But if we discuss the major support and resistance levels, then two major supports we have at one is at $33,000, which I'm not expecting that we can break down. And if it will be broken down, then we have a very strong support at $28,600. That was almost the potentially the maximum extent of potential reversals on of this Cypher pattern as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.